Tell out there. Hello, this would know. When again. Eh. So ki wila no chikina ki kamo tropo ni kamo. Parle ki chwalele ntho ki chwalele.
So in this channel, it's where we learn. This is our motto. So to see that the motor is still working, you swing it anti-clockwise. If it swings, it's still working. So what was the problem? It was our pump. So we're here to clean the pump now. So these wheels have stuck because of the rocks and the soil that actually ended up penetrating our pump. So we're gonna clean them right now, take this back to our borehole, run and see if it works. Now there must be. So now we're trying to clean these wheels.
Number 1 is fine.
It's fine.
Number 2.
Number 2. Yeah. Mara think we know what to do to go.
I did clean up pillar.
Come on. And ya tola ni mafika kama rafa sije.
Ako kama marauka.
We are done cleaning the pump. So now I want to show you what we have. We got some tomatoes that we're trying to grow. Okay, let's see what we have inside this bucket after we clean the pump. What was stopping our pump to actually pump water is these things here. Do you see it? This bucket was clean, and all these small rocks that you see inside here comes from us cleaning the pump. So this is what we have. Let me just put them somewhere where you can see them, where they'll be visible. So these things here are very dangerous. So we have cleaned the pump. It's time to right now. It's time to take everything back. It's time to take the pump. It's time to reassemble the pipe, the pump. Oh wait, I'm missing something here. I need to take back the key first. This key is the one that holds all these pump wheels that pumps out the water. These are the things. This is the things that pump up the water from the borehole, guys. So this one, it's the motor that actually spins these wheels that you see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 of them, and then they pump out the water from the ground. So this is the pump, and this is the motor. So you're gonna take this key back here to secure these pump wheels so that they don't shift. So taking back the key. So I'm alone now, there's no one to hold the camera for me. So I'm gonna take this key back, put this one here also back, and then we put this one back, we put this one back, we put this one back. So let me try to see if I can make a stand for myself. By the way, I visited my uncle in town. I was actually here to buy a new motor, and then we decided to check if the pump doesn't have a problem. No, I was supposed to buy a new pump because I thought the pump was dead. My uncle told me to check and clean the thingy first, to check and clean the pump and see if the pump can spin, because the pump was not spinning. So I went to the store where I was supposed to buy the pump, the new motor, and then the guy that works there is the one who actually installed this pump almost about 10 years ago. And then he asked me if I've cleaned the pump before I can buy a new motor, because I thought the problem was with the motor. And then I said, no, I didn't. And he said, no, go back, clean that motor, come back. Ooh, how do you put this thing back now? Yeah. This secured enough? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think so. Put this one back on. Check this one. Back on. Let me wash this one as well. Okay, now it's time to take this one back in. We are done cleaning it. Actually, this thing was not tight. Okay, then we hold this one in as well. I think I'm gonna need a brush to clean this thing here so that it can go in nicely. So let me check if I have a brush in my car.